Okay, so we're going to look at Unit 7, Polynomials. And we're going to start by defining polynomials. What is a polynomial? So a polynomial, the roots of polynomial, poly means many, and nomial means numbers. So it's an expression or equation where we have a whole bunch of numbers. Within a polynomial, we call the different pieces terms. The terms are pieces that are being added or subtracted to each other, and the parts within a term are glued together with multiplication or division. So an example of a term would be 3x, or 2, or 5x squared y. These are all different examples of terms. And then there are also examples of monomial. Mono means one. So a monomial is a term that's just on its own. My rabbit is attacking his food dish. Then we have binomials. A binomial, bi like bicycle, meaning two. So a binomial, we have two terms that are added or subtracted, like 2x plus 4, or 3x squared minus 7x. Those will both be examples of binomials. And then we have trinomials. Trinomial, like a tricycle, has 3 parts. So this would be like 4x squared plus 3x plus 7. Okay. After that, we need to talk a little bit about the degree of a polynomial. We classify polynomials by the highest exponent within the polynomial, the highest exponent on a variable. So the degree is the highest exponent. Okay. So for instance, if I have 3x squared plus 7x plus 9, the highest exponent is 2, right? I have an exponent of 2, I have an exponent of 1, and then technically right here there's an x to the 0, because as you'll recall, anything to the 0 is 1, and so 9 times 1 would just be 9. So there's kind of an invisible x there, but the highest exponent is 2, so the degree is 2. If I have 7x to the 4th plus 9x to the 7th minus 3x to the 5th plus 2x, remember that there's a 1 here, so the degree of this one is, again, my highest exponent. This time it's 7. So the degree is 7. Typically, we write polynomials in order from the highest exponent to the lowest, but that won't always be the case, so we have to remember that our degree is the highest exponent, not the first exponent necessarily.